guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today is a little mini haul that I've got for you from Poundland. Yeah, I popped in there today. I went and had my hair done, and the Poundland near my hairdressers is much bigger than the one near my town, so I had a little mooch round. Got a few nice things to share with you, but just before we get into the video, these are all my little Halloween stuff that I'm going to be putting out on my windowsills for Halloween. Yeah. So I thought I'd just make a little display of them here before I set them out on the windowsill for Halloween. So let's get into the haul. So the first thing that I picked up, so a few household items here and a few homey items. So obviously I picked up some Splash Buster super absorbent kitchen towels. So I got those, and I think they were £1, so yeah, brilliant. Next up, I always get my batteries as well from Poundland. So I picked up obviously 2 packs of the AA and then 2 packs of the AAA as well. And these, I mean, they don't last as long as like Duracell and stuff, but they're really handy and they're quite cheap as well, and you do get quite a lot in a pack. So yeah, I always get my batteries from there. And obviously because the clocks have changed, you know, some clocks or whatever might need, all these needed batteries and stuff, so they were really handy for that. Next up, I picked up some Cadbury's mini rolls, and these aren't for me, but I think if I wanted to eat one, I think they're like 4 or 5 cents, so they're quite high, but they are for Sam. So yeah, they're for Sam's little goodie cupboard, so yeah, they're for him. Next up, I picked up 2 of these lovely little jars. Now these can be used for loads of variety of things, so I think they were such a brilliant price for £1. Thought they looked really pretty and everything. I actually might go and pick up a few more because they're really good to put like cotton pads in, or buds, or anything like that. I've just used it in my bathroom. Got a bathroom tour coming up soon. As you've seen, my first video, which was obviously clearing out my bathroom, and then the second video was painting my bathroom, that is going up. You've probably watched it by now, but and the third is obviously going to be the big reveal. So I've used one of these to put in my unicorn sort of bath salts, which are like pink and white, so I've used one of those for that. And I've got, obviously I got 2, so I've got another one now that I'm going to use for cotton pads. I think it'd just look nice on your dresser, because obviously I'm going to tidy in here at some point. I'm going to share that with you as well. But yeah, I actually might go and pick up a few extra ones because they are handy in the kitchen as well. You can use them for so many different things. So yeah, I'm going to pick some more up. It would look really nice with a little ribbon wrap round. So yeah, I picked up those. Next up as well, which I think would look really nice, you can actually use it for like a little jar light thing. So I picked up some, because I might do that with one of them as well. I picked up some LED lights. Now they had different kinds. These ones in particular like have, let me just open them for you. These are like crystals and gems on them, which look really nice. They look like that. These look really pretty. So what you could do is you could pop your battery in there. You could actually pop them inside the jar, and I'm just going to stick them in, if you know what I mean, for now. Put them in there in a neater way. You could add some stones or whatever in there if you wanted, and the little light box, and you could just light that up, or you could put little stones in, sort of give it a little bit of weight. So obviously it'd look like that. I mean, if I popped a battery in there now, and there we go, we have like a little glowing little light jar here, which is very cute. So yeah, I'm going to do something like that. I might put something else in. Obviously you can kind of see the battery inside, so I didn't know whether you could maybe glue that to the lid, maybe not. Yeah, might have to just disguise the battery in some way, but that's one of the things that I wanted to do. I just thought it'd look really cute with these lights, and they had different kinds of lights. So yeah, a little bit of an idea there for those jars. Next up, I picked up 2 packets of Anodine Extra. As you know, I always pick those up. I also picked up some kitchen antibacterial household wipes. These are lemon and mandarin. Obviously needed a few more for the kitchen. I've probably got a load somewhere, but obviously my kitchen cupboards are such a disaster that I really don't know what I've got, so I can't find them. So I need to clear everything out. I'm going to film this. I'm just trying to pull everything together at the minute. My bathroom's took all my time up at the moment, so the next thing that I'm probably going to do is clear out the cupboards. So that is going to be the next video after I've just finished the bathroom. I've got a few more bits to do before I do the reveal, and then I'm going to move on to a video where I'm tidying out my cupboards because I cannot find anything. So yeah, I need some storage solutions. So I'm just doing a lot of research at the moment. So yeah, I bought another packet of them and I've probably got a load already. Right, last but not least, I picked up a new mug, and this says Girl Boss on both sides, which I thought was really cute. It's pink as well, which is cute, pink and white. So yeah, looks absolutely cute. So yeah, I really liked that. So I actually spent £13 altogether. Yeah, it's only £13 from Poundland, so absolute bargain from Poundland. So yes, that's everything that I bought. So only a little mini haul today. I hope you enjoyed it. I did want to share it with you anyway, because I know you do like Poundland, so apologies that it was only a little one, but every little counts, doesn't it? So hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be putting some updates of my bathroom on there, some of the bits and pieces. I'll pop it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.